and then take these shoes off because, girl, I can barely walk in these shoes. Like, look at how I'm walking like a penguin. Hey diverse beauties, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, we are going into fall pretty soon. And I've been obsessed with pretty much anything brown, any shade of brown. Clothes, nails, makeup, like literally everything I'm obsessed with. So of course I thought, you know what, why don't I do like a brown aesthetic kind of day where I do my nails, I do my makeup, I dress up in different shades of brown and kind of show you the process. Of course, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm still learning to do nails. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably would know that I've been gradually teaching myself how to do like nail extensions and dip powder and gel and all of that. And I'm doing it just for myself. I'm not really like doing it to like do it on other people. Everything that I bought was from Amazon. So I have these like nail coffin, I believe. I think either the nail coffin or I don't remember what they're called, but I got these nails from Amazon. So the dip powder that I've been using is actually from Beetles, and it is their dip powder City in Snow. And I know that lately Beetles has been definitely gaining a lot more popularity just because their quality is good and it's affordable. I didn't know that. I just like bought it like randomly a few months ago. But this one I really like because it actually comes with like the like eight different shades, and then there's also like the top the activator, the base, and the brush cleaner, so it's really convenient. So here is my little set that I have. Like I said, it's very basic. I got my Beetle stuff, and then the nail polish back here, a nail surface cleanser, my files. I do have an e-file, but I don't really use it as much just because I'm like the last time I almost like burnt my skin off, and I'm still practicing on it. So yeah, so I'm more comfortable using just like regular files. And then I have my lamp, and I literally got everything from Amazon, so I will link it below for you guys so you can check it out. I also like to add this pH bond. It's supposed to kind of help like remove like natural oils from the nail surface, and it makes it easier for your nail fake nail to like stick on.
Under my skin, but is it worth all the stress, all this constant he said, she saidness? Pressure of society, I won't let it get to me, not defined by popularity. I'll decide who I'll be.
So this is my nail before I file it, so it's kind of like, very not smooth. And this is my smooth nail, so it looks so much better. Of course, I still need to work on the application, especially in the middle finger, but it looks way much better. It is the next day, and I ended up taking a very long time to do my nails yesterday because I really wanted them to look perfect. And since I'm still learning to do nails, I had a lot of buffing to do, but yeah, I'm actually really happy how they turned out. I'll show you in like another clip, but yeah, I'm so happy. This is like the best that I've done my nails so far. I definitely need to work a little bit more on like the edges here because I put it way too far away from the cuticle, just because I know that they, like in a few YouTube videos that I watched, they mentioned like not to get the nail polish like too close to the cuticle, and I just went a little bit too far away from the cuticle. But yeah, I'm really content with how they turned out. Now I'm gonna actually do my makeup, and I really love doing like a brown makeup. I've done a few in the past, last year as well as a couple years ago. I'll put like some pictures here for you guys, and I just feel like brown makeup just looks the best on me usually. But today I wanted to try something else where I do some brown, but then I have like some green in there too. I've never really done green like with brown together, so I'm kind of looking forward to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty skin tint. I've been really obsessed with skin tints, as you guys know, so I'll just use this tint with the Milk Makeup concealer.
The last memory of our last night as I watched you walk away.
I'm just gonna use my usual bronzer. This one is from Suede. How do you say this word? It's C-I-A-T-E London, but I've been obsessed with this. It's the bamboo bronzer in South Beach, and honestly it is such a gorgeous color. Like, it's very warm tone, which I think fits perfectly for my skin tone. For my blush, I actually am gonna try to use the M Cosmetic blush in Rose Milk. It's my first time ever using this serum type of blush, so I'm really hoping that like it doesn't go crazy on me. So I really like that blush, and I really like that glowiness that it gives me. It's very natural for sure. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of blush with the NARS Orgasm one, just so that it gives it a little bit, just a little bit more color to my cheeks.
Woke up from my premonition, I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen, I found a little note saying I'll be back soon. Relief came with a little breath, with nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do?
I just finished my makeup. It's definitely less brown than I expected, but I'm really loving like the green accent that I really wanted to do, and I got the brown lips, so yeah. And then I put like a little clip that's actually brown too, to like just pull my hair back, just because it's really hot right now. But I'm kind of preparing my clothes, and I'll show you guys. I'm kind of in between pants or a dress. Here it is. I have my white pants, and I was thinking of wearing it with this open shirt and then just putting like a bandeau underneath, but I kind of like this with the dress too, like that kind of nude and brown combination. And then the heels, these ones I was kind of looking into wearing with the outfit, and it would kind of look cute, especially with my nails. I feel like my nail color and this shirt kind of go along, you know. So I'm still debating. I have this outfit first, and please do not mind all of the mess, especially over here on the side. But I have these pants from H&M. I love these pants, honestly, they're so comfortable. And then I have these shoes that are very pretty. You're gonna probably see these clothes in another video that I'm filming. And then I have this top, and this top is from Shein. The cami underneath is from what is this from? Oh, H&M. And then I have this zodiac necklace, which I really love. It's for my, you know, my sign. And then I have this bag from Amazon. But yeah, I really like this look. I feel like it's really cute, and it kind of fits like the whole brown aesthetic that I'm going for. At first I was thinking of going with this dress instead, so I was gonna put this dress underneath, right? So like picture it, this is underneath with this on top, and then like the shoes with this bag. I feel like that would be kind of cute, but I'm really loving this outfit though more. I feel like it's so, I don't know, it's like so cute. I really, really like this outfit. So I think I'm gonna just stick with this look, and then that basically completes everything. And I'm gonna go take some pictures and then take these shoes off because, girl, I can barely walk in these shoes. Like, look at how I'm walking like a penguin. Really happy how my nails turned out. Like, I've been practicing, and it's only my 3rd time doing like nail extensions, so I'm so happy how they turned out. They look really good for my 3rd time.
And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes. Remember what it felt like when you left me.
That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my like brown aesthetic kind of day where I did my makeup and nails and everything. It's so much fun, and let me know what color are you looking forward to wearing this, you know, fall and winter. Like, I don't know, I love doing like monochromatic type of colors, like my makeup, my outfit, everything. I feel like it just looks so nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And of course, go ahead and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And I love you, diverse beauties. Take care of your health, and I'll see you next time.